Hi friends, how are you today? Welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary. Let's get started. I did not apply any blush, so I'm starting from there. Milano Romantic Rose. Today I'm going to get started with something which is already my favorite, and I'm testing something new. This is my morning tint, by the way. Many of you already know that I get started with a beautiful lip color. Yes, early in the morning. You can say that I start my day with colors. Today I'm going matte with my blush. This is one of my favorites. A very toasted kind of shade. Lifted cheeks, lifted mood. Makeup playtime. I just love this hour of the day. Let's call it my makeup hour with all of you. On my temple, a little bit of here, a little bit of there, even on my jawline. I like that pinky shade. It is not very pinky. It is a very roasted kind of pink, dusty rose, romantic rose. Yeah, pretty. Alright, so blush work is done. Revlon NYX lip combo. Smile. I love the shade. Nice lip pencil, matte and glides on. Iconic shade from Revlon. The shade name? You know that. Pretty. It's Soma's Makeup Diary. Colors are everything. And quality with consistency, great pairing. That is something that makes me loyal towards a brand. Isn't that gorgeous? I started my lipstick collection with Revlon Super Lustrous line. I just love those lipsticks and the shade range. Oh my god, that's just amazing. Now my friends, moving on to my palette recap time. And of course something new, as I told you, something testing with something already tested. The most striking shade for me is that blue. You must have guessed that. And this one is my new palette addition. Yesterday I got this palette and I thought of sharing this palette with all of you today. I'm going to try these shadows for the first time. Colors are pretty chilled out, cool. I didn't have anything like this in my makeup collection because I always gravitate towards something warm. You know that. So let's get started. Going to use these two shades today and pairing it up with my palette recap shade. The most striking color of this palette in my books. Wanderess Chill Palette. Chilled out. It also has a nice mirror, which is pretty handy. It is my skin tone. It is giving me a nice base here, smoothing out everything on my lid, around my eye area with the shade, giving my eyes a nice dimension here and depth. So this is a cool color. I'm going to create a couple of more looks with this palette because the shades are really cool. Let's get started with the blue. First round of color. I kept a nice little mirror here, my hourglass ambient lighting blush mirror. This was the color that drew me in and I am pretty happy with this shade. I've created a couple of more looks with this shade, so you can watch those videos if you want to. Pretty blue hue there, a sheared out hue because I'm using my patting brush first. Building up the color little by little and reaching out towards the transition crease borderline. Yeah, pretty nice color. And it is buildable. Yeah, okay. Doing the same thing on the other eye. Have you started looking into the shades that are your favorite? It'll be fun, right? Using all the shades that are our favorites and creating a look? Nice idea. As I told you when I started my makeup channel, that we all have couple of shades in our makeup collections that are quite similar, and we can always mix and match and create fun looks. Some application methods are just staple and some are flexible. So being playful with the colors is always exciting to me. I have used this shade as my outer corner arrow shade as well, and it was pretty nice that way. And today I'm using it all over my lid. Isn't it nice? Okay, I have reached that far with my patting brush, and now can you guess the next step? Of course you can. How about using this base shadow brush from Real Techniques and blending? Now I need my mirror, the big one. Just a little bit of blending here. Right. The flexible step. Today I decided to apply a little bit of, that shade. It's pretty nice, isn't it? Let me try this shade with my finger first, and then we'll see. Blending this way, it is pretty nice too. I'm loving the effect. As much as I get excited about a new palette, I get excited about my favorite shades as well. And I'm loving the shadow. So that's pretty much it for now. How about taking the same shadow with my smudge brush, and yeah, wow, it does not have any fallout. So far, I'm happy. I wish I feel the same way throughout. Pretty shade. It is defining my eyelids and the lower lash line. So this is nice, yeah. A little bit of dusting. And now that I'm intrigued, I'm going to try this shade as well. Snowbird. Taking my small smudge brush. Nice brightening effect. Snowbird is really pretty. Nice. It's very brightening. And I'm working through the edges. These tiny brushes actually are very helpful, and I totally love this. I love my e.l.f. brushes. Also Real Techniques one. Okay, my friends, I think I'm going to get started with my liner, and then I will see if I need some more color to finish the look. Be right back. Dear friends, want to do a little bit more with the blue? Are you up for that? This is my fine liner brush, and I love to work with this brush when I really need to reach out to those areas where I need precision. I really like that hint of blue on the outer corners because this is a very pretty shade. Already lined my eyes, but using that blue shadow to fill in the gaps. So all of you who love blue, I think you will enjoy this look a lot. Very gently over my Wanderess Chill eyeshadow, just a bluish touch. And after I'm done with this series, I'm going to use the shadow from Wanderess Chill palette and create a couple of more looks. No mix and match, only with that palette, because I'm pretty happy with that so far. So I really need to give it a chance to shine. Right? It's pretty nice. I'm really liking this look. Couple of coats of mascara. I've already applied my mascara, but always after I'm done with my shadow work, a little bit more. This Clinique High Impact Mascara really has the impact that I want. Love this one. This is a rediscovered love for me. That's it, my friends. Did you like the look? Will you play with this combination? I think you will. About this one, you know I love this shade. I have paid my tribute to this shade today. About this palette, pretty colors, pretty buttery shadows, and yet to create couple of more looks. Can't wait, really. So that's it, my friends. I will see you soon tomorrow with another fun eye makeup tutorial, because this is my palette recap time. I'm going to create looks with my favorite shadows, fun eye looks. Yeah, so come back soon, keep playing with the colors, dig up your own makeup collection for your favorite shades, and let me know on the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comments. Thank you so much for watching, liking, connecting, and subscribing. Bye. Have a good day.